Hey everyone, hope you all are doing fine at your home and you all are smiling. So, in today's maths class, we are going to do greater than less than. Okay, you have been already introduced with this topic and today let's proceed with this one only. Now kids, you have to see which symbol we call as greater than. So, the symbol you can see in front of you is the symbol of greater than. Yes, you can see the greater than symbol here. We also call it as more than. Greater than and more than are same thing. You can see the mouth of the alligator is open towards your left side. So, in that situation, we call it greater than. Now, you can see the symbol of less than. We call it less than. Kids, we also call it smaller than. We also call it smaller than. Okay. You can see the mouth of the alligator is open towards the right side. It is open towards your right side. So, we call this as less than. Okay. Now, let us look into some objects and find out which is greater and which is less than. So, you can see we have some colorful pens here and here is one black color pen. Which is more, the colorful ones or the black color one? Yes, you were correct. The colorful ones are more here. So, the alligator's mouth will be open towards the colorful pens, right? These colorful pens are greater or greater than this black pen, right? Here you can see two types of flowers. Here are some violet color flowers and here are some, tell me, yes, pink color flowers. Now kids, can you tell me which flowers are more in number here? Let's count. Here is 1, 2. We have 2 violet color flowers here. Here you can see that we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 what color? Pink color flowers. So, between these 2 and 4, which number is greater? Yes, this 4 is greater. So, this is greater than and this is less than because we have only 2 flowers and here we have more flowers. That is why the alligator will open its mouth towards this pink color flowers. Can you see? Yes. So, in that situation, I told you earlier, we will say that violet color flowers are less than the pink color flowers. Violet color flowers are less than the pink color flowers. Can you see what we have now? Yes, we have marbles. We have some marbles here. How many marbles we have, kids? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, we have 8 marbles in this plate. And here we have only 1 marble. Now kids, can you tell me which is more? This one or this one? This is more, right? No, this is not the more one. Here we have more marbles. So, the alligator, tell me, the alligator will open its mouth towards the, yes, towards the highest numbers, towards the greater numbers. So, that is why the alligator's mouth is open in this side. So, we can say these marbles are greater or you can also say these marbles are more than these marbles. Okay. So, that's it. Let's look into our classwork. So, kids, here is our classwork. You can see the CW date here and day and month. Next, we have the heading. Let's read the heading. use, use, more than, or, less than, use, more than, or, less than. You have to remember, just like the objects, we need minimum two things or two numbers to use this greater than or less than symbol. We need to compare, and for comparison, we need minimum two objects or numbers. And we will always read from the left side. For the classwork, you will write the ones and tens here. Then you will give one box gap. After that again ones and tens. Kids, please follow this pattern because it will look good in your copy. Okay. Now, you can see we have 5 here, which is under ones place. 5. Then there is one box. Then we have 9. That is also under ones place. I got to know a lot of you are not following this ones and tens. So, please follow it and do your work accordingly. Now kids, there is 5 and 9. Can you tell me 5 is big number or is 9 is bigger number? Which is bigger? Definitely 9. And we know the alligator's mouth will open towards the big number. The alligator will face the bigger number. So, we have given this symbol and we know this symbol is called less than. And remember, I told you always read from the left side. So, repeat after me. 5 is less than 9. 5 is less than 9. Okay. Now, look here. We have 6 here and here we have 2. Between this 6 and 2, which is greater? Yes, 6 is greater. So, the alligator is going to face this 6. That is, its mouth will also open towards 6. Can you tell me how you will read it? Tell me from this side. No, right? We will read from here. Say, 6 is greater than 2. 6 is greater than 2. Okay. Alright. Next. 1, 0, 10 and 7. 10 and 7. Here we have already 2 numbers and here only 1 number. So, when we have 2 numbers and 10, that is bigger than 7. So, the alligator will open its mouth towards this side and you will say, tell me. You will say 10 is greater than, or you can always say 10 is more than 7. Okay. Now, the rest of the 3 is your homework. We have 19 and 20, 12, 23, 30, 20. So, kids, do it on your own and submit it to your teacher. I hope you have liked today's class. Thank you so much for watching it.